Yes, hello Woodtubers. It's Scott here and welcome to Turnado Woodturning Blitz tutorials. I've made this tutorial to share with you a quick tip on how to realign the headstock to the tailstock. I use this method every time I start a new project. Ever since I was halfway through making a pepper mill, when I reversed it, I could see the wall thickness on one side was about 4mm off. I enjoy learning how to get out the difficulty when the projects go wrong. So thought I'd put together a short series of YouTube tutorials called Blitz tutorials to share these methods with you. They're not meant to be perfect or by the book or anything like that. I'm just a hobby turner and I want to share with you my way of doing things and interested to hear your feedback. Then together we can learn and find better ways to get better results in our wood turning. Please post below, tell me what you'd like to see next on Blitz tutorials. Please hit subscribe and here's the tutorial for you. Okay, so a recognised alignment method is the KISS test. That's where you use a pair of centres and then bring up the live centre to line up with the drive centre. As well, on lathes with rotating headstocks, larger lathes, the manufacturers often gives a double Morse taper bar like this one. And the idea here is that you line up both the headstock and the tailstock directly, and that should take out any misalignment. Problem I found is that both these methods, they're too short and you don't get a good measurement over the whole span of the lathe. 1 or 2 millimeters off at the headstock can add up to several millimeters off at the end of the long lathe bed. So while thinking over this problem, a friend of mine at my wood turning club said to me, made a very good suggestion actually. Why not mount a long piece of scrap into the 4-jaw chuck, and it needs to be about 7 or 8 inches long. Tighten it down properly and then turn a taper all the way down to a point at the end. So as you can see here, there's the taper point at the end. Then loosen the headstock cam, ready to adjust, and then bring the tailstock up to meet that point. Now you've got about 7-8 inches both sides. So what you do then is you push the headstock into alignment and you match up those 2 points, then you tighten down the cam locking mechanism. What you can also do is slowly spin the center up, and sometimes help you to visualize the lining up of the points. And that's it, Blitz tutorial. Hope that helps you. Please hit subscribe below and write me a comment. Tell me what you'd like to see next on Blitz tutorials. There's some more coming. Keep looking out for them and take care.